Now we come to the next thing and the final thing in our concept videos on parajumbles, and that is the conclusion. We have seen that two things are very important in parajumbles. One is the opening idea. So the first is the opening idea, and the last is the concluding idea. The opening idea and the concluding idea must be in place. Between these two ideas, you might have many other ideas, but the opening idea and the concluding idea are the easiest to spot for us. And once they are in place, we can fit the other things. And let's see what exactly is a concluding idea. Just as the opening lines are important in introducing the paragraph, so closing lines are important in concluding the paragraph. And just as the opening lines must be generic and not abrupt, so the concluding lines must be smooth and aptly close the paragraph. The concluding lines must be smooth and aptly close the paragraph. The way you should have a good opening should have a good and smooth ending to the paragraph. The adverbial conjunctions, here again I am repeating, the adverbial conjunctions here too play a very important role, as we have seen words like hence and therefore, accordingly, consequently, thus may be noted as the adverbial conjunctions. Now let's take a very good example here. Sachin Tendulkar started his test career in 1989. He went on to play the highest number of test matches and went on to become the highest scorer in both the popular versions of the game. He won the Wisden Cricketer Year of the Year in 1997. Thus, we can say that he's one of the greatest batsmen who ever took guard on the cricket pitch. Now we have the concludes the adverbial conjunctions that shows that yes, this is likely to conclude something based on certain reasoning or evidence. This conclusion is based on reasoning and evidence, and it is not a random word that has come from nowhere. So what is the evidence? The evidence is he went on to play the highest number of test matches, went on to become the highest scorer in both the versions of the game. He won the Wisden Cricketer of the Year, and going by these achievements, we can say that he is one of the greatest batsmen. So simply thus does not show that it is concluding. It also shows that the conclusion which you have given here and the reasons for the conclusions that are preceded by this statement are somehow logically related, and therefore you in the first three sentences you have given the reasons and then you have come up with the conclusion. You must observe how the adverbial conjunction therefore smoothly completes the paragraph. In this case, of course, we don't have smoothly, we have thus. And this is what we have about the parajumbles. Now we have gone through almost all the possible concepts of parajumbles. Again, these concepts are just an indication. Once you have started practicing by using these concepts, you can actually go on to solve higher difficulty problems. Please go through the parajumbles exercise that we have given on our website, and that would be very helpful. Thank you.